property in Davyton with just wonderful views from the front porch. Let's go. So we enter, we have this front patio, nicely appointed. And you can sit out and just enjoy the cool trees swaying in the breeze. I think we can probably pick it up from the camera. Take a look out. You enter into this well-appointed living space. Really nice, open. Quick access to outside from here. You take a look at the first set of rooms here. Nice big windows. It's very well lit. Very well lit windows are open. Going to enjoy really cool nights. Those who know Mandeville will know. Has this closet space on the inside. It's room one. Room one, and this room share this bathroom space here. Again, similar, pretty big windows, another closet space. Really nice. Forgive the noise in the background, they're doing some cosmetic work on the outside. But again, getting it prepared and ready for sale. So we'll take a little trek to this side. We'll take a quick look at this room. This is, again, well spacious, nice big windows. Comfortably fit any furnishings that you may have. It has this closet space here. And the bathroom. And there's this room here. Could make it into whatever room you want. Could be your personal little study that you have clocked away your little workspace. And then we go into kitchen area. Some really nice cabinetry here. And this common area. All right, so this house also has this has a unfinished area with a few rooms, or 2 or 3 rooms, living room, kitchen, bathroom, wash area. This could be another study. Again, excuse what you're seeing, it's an unfinished area, but it's for a person with the insight to come and fix it up. So whoever had this area would have that entry door. Have a bathroom area here. And this I would best say is probably kitchen, dining area. Another room. This back area here with another door is your fitted. This could be your wash area. Fittings and pipings are already there for kitchen if you like. So it's you to kind of decide how you want it. Here's another room. And again, comes back out to this area. Heads straight out to the front. Again, one of the things I really like about this area is just the serene